This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love with this customized home located in a cul-de-sac. Split unit HVAC system installed 2017. New roof installed 2020. New aluminum gutters with leaf guard installed 2021. Eat-in kitchen was remodeled in 2017 with upgraded granite, stainless steel appliances, wine cooler, gas cooktop, and electric double ovens, plenty of counter space, and cabinets. Formal dining room which is currently being used as an office, cozy family room with gas fireplace, open to kitchen. Large laundry room with built-in cabinetry. Primary bedroom with separated his and her sinks, plus walk-in closet in primary bathroom. Frog is fourth bedroom. Enjoy a staycation paradise with a 19 by 37 inground saltwater pool and deck with green space for gardening and play area. Just minutes away from naval bases. You will not be disappointed. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.